When powerful people say we have entered the AI singularity, most people don't even know what that means. Is it a moment, a tipping point, or just another phrase used to describe rapid change? Most people imagine the singularity as something dramatic, machines waking up, human control disappearing overnight. That idea comes from science fiction, not systems. The singularity was never about machines becoming human. It was about speed. Specifically, a point where technological progress accelerates so quickly that humans can no longer reliably predict what comes next. Prediction is how societies function. Governments plan budgets. Businesses model risk. Institutions assume stability. When prediction breaks down, decision-making becomes reactive instead of strategic. So why do people think we're approaching that point now? Because AI progress is no longer linear. Each model helps build the next one. Each deployment generates new data. Each improvement shortens the development cycle. Progress begins to compound. AI development now runs on feedback loops. Models train models. Automation accelerates automation. Human oversight still exists, but it increasingly lags behind system speed. The real shift is not intelligence, it is integration. AI is embedding itself into systems that decide outcomes. Hiring, credit, healthcare, security, visibility. These systems do not think like humans. They optimize patterns. They reduce uncertainty. They scale decisions. The singularity is not machines thinking like people. It is machines shaping outcomes at scale. This is why people feel a loss of control. Not because AI is alive, but because systems are too complex and too fast to fully supervise. Control does not disappear. It diffuses. As systems grow more complex, no single person understands the whole picture. Decisions emerge from layers of automation. Responsibility becomes harder to trace. This does not mean the singularity is a single moment. It is not a switch. It is not inevitable domination. It is a phase where systems outpace human intuition. Those who benefit most from this phase are not the loudest voices. They are the ones who understand systems, who design incentives, who control infrastructure. The singularity rewards alignment, not awareness. Power has not vanished. It has moved upstream into code, data, standards, and deployment choices. The real question is not, have we entered the singularity? It is, who decides how these systems are used? Because the singularity is not something you notice all at once. It is something you feel when outcomes change faster than explanations. Understanding that shift is how you stay grounded in a world run by systems. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe. What if everything you know about the AI singularity is wrong? Let's start with the myth and see what's really happening beneath the surface. The popular story says machines will suddenly become human, taking over in a single leap. But this is a myth, one that distracts from the real transformation underway. Originally, the singularity meant a point where progress accelerates so fast, predictions break down. Not a moment of machine awakening, but a horizon where forecasting fails. Today, prediction systems shape everything from government policy to finance. These models influence decisions at every level, making the future less certain and more automated. Progress compounds. Each breakthrough feeds the next, creating feedback loops and data flows that accelerate timelines beyond what any one person can track. These feedback loops mean systems can optimize themselves, learning and adapting at speeds that challenge our ability to intervene or understand. Integration is everywhere. Hiring, credit, healthcare systems light up, connect, and automate decisions that once required human oversight. Decision-making becomes distributed. Flowcharts and algorithms pass choices from node to node, diffusing control across complex networks. As systems grow more complex, control slips away. Humans watch from a distance as decision-making dissolves into the network itself. Complexity multiplies. Layers of infrastructure overlap, making it harder to trace cause and effect or to predict what comes next. But the singularity isn't an end. The timeline keeps moving, and systems can stabilize even as they evolve beyond our old definitions. Who benefits from this acceleration? Infrastructure and data centers become the new battlegrounds, shaping who holds power in a world of strategic automation. Power moves upstream into code, contracts, and governance structures that decide how systems operate and who gets to participate. So the real question isn't when machines become human. It's how we guide these systems and who gets to shape the future they create.